We only have a handful of employees right now, and so Celigo is employee number probably 5 through 5,000.
Yeah.
Literally, it was a flip of a switch. And like, I don't know,
all the info.
500 orders were just rapid fire populated in our NetSuite backend, and our bookkeeper was like, oh my gosh, this is fantastic.
Urban Market Bags is the ultimate reusable bag system. Plastic is used for such a small period of time, and then it just is stuck in the environment.
We've done calculations of how many plastic bags a family of 4 might use, and it's just staggering. We've solved all the problems that people have with reusable bags. The complaints that we heard constantly were that you forget them in your trunk, they get dirty and you can't wash them, and they're mismatched and ugly. And so we decided, let's solve all 3 of those problems at once and create packs that contain multiple bags that live in these little drawstring pouches and are legitimately reusable for decades, but probably a lifetime. One family using Urban Market Bags can make a huge difference. The very first iteration of this product, it was a garage-based product, and it was manual printing of packing slips, of shipping labels, and that just is not scalable. So a company like NetSuite allowed us to be automated and cloud-based from the ground up. We branched out into Amazon, and we set up our warehouse down in Southern California. We were still manually entering in the customer information into our back-end system, and as we grew, we just couldn't keep up. We needed to be automated in order to make it work as quickly as possible and be as efficient as possible.
Celigo talks to our partners who are Shipwire and Amazon from our NetSuite and just gets all that information back and forth.
Yeah,
it's
awesome.
awesome.
It's a courier.
Yeah.
it's the courier to take info from our web store customers, get them to our fulfillment centers. Any sales on Amazon, then our Celigo connector for Amazon then brings all the data back into our backend system and creates customer records, creates our sales orders, creates our invoices. As it is now, our Celigo connectors run every 15 minutes, whether we're awake or asleep or in the car or wherever we are. It's all automated while Kerri and I are coming up with new ideas for products and also
volunteering
and picking up our children and things like that.
Having a little fun from time to time.
Just this much. We don't have an IT department. We're able to manage the entire thing ourselves, which is pretty phenomenal. With the Celigo connectors and that integration is, I mean, it's almost like it's priceless.
We're about to launch in Amazon Australia. Sure enough, we can just, add to our Celigo connector and, just get that automated also. And it's just gonna take a lot of the unknown out of the process for us.
Our connectors with Celigo allow us to focus on these large customers where we can really push our product out there. World domination, that's what we like to say.
WD.
I mean, we're trying to keep plastic out of the oceans and the landfills.
It's all good.
It's all good.